washed out road. And another one right below us. The area right down there is one of the areas that flooded the absolute worst. Oh, you can see where it hit over here. Right below us.
We are here to ensure that we are doing everything we can at every level of government to respond to this disaster, to protect our people, and to ultimately help them rebuild. That is what Kentuckians expect, and that's what they're getting from their state, their governor, their legislature, and their local governments.
They get the job done. This is Team Kentucky getting it done.